Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today is Quick and Easy Day, and I am going to be sharing this little treat bag right here. I am just using designer series paper. It's really easy, and someone had asked me if I was going to do anything using the Dollar Tree cotton candy pack, which comes in a 3-pack. It's this right here, the Valentine. They had it out for Christmas too, and I have a feeling it's going to become a regular. And there's 3 of these packs. I think there's a blue one in here. It comes in different colors too. And so this is the little bag that I'm going to make to put the little cotton candy. But FYI, you'll get a better deal if you go to Hobby Lobby now, because they have 40% off Valentine. And they had a pack, and I believe there were 8 in the pack. And it was $5.99 and 40% off of that. So it's a much better deal than this 3-pack at $1.25. So if you really want to make the little cotton candy bags, then I would get it at Hobby Lobby. All right, so you don't have to use Valentine paper on this. I'm actually using the Country Floral Lane Designer Series paper. You've seen me use it a ton because it is very Valentine-ish. And so I did with this one, but I'm going to show you using the Dandy Design 12 by 12. All right, so that's what I'm using for this, and I am using some different colors because, you know me, I have to change it up a bit. So we are going to use this pattern because I love the colors in it. So I am using Coastal Cabana and Balmy Blue because that's the colors in this paper. I love how Stampin' Up! Does that, coordinates everything. And then the ribbon I'm using is this Balmy Blue, and we're going to use that for the little tie on here. And the little dies right here are all from the same die set, and that is the Give It a Whirl dies. This is the one that creates a card that will spin. So it's the Give It a Whirl dies. Everything will be linked in the inspiration sheet, all the measurements and what I used for that. And for the sentiment, I'm using this Be My Valentine again from the Share a Milkshake. So that, I think, is it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to cut out all my pieces here. I'm going to stamp my sentiment and cut that out using Memento Black. I was thinking maybe changing it a little bit, but we're going to see. I'm going to stamp this here, and that's going to cut out with this little one right here. But I also thought about maybe using my scalloped heart punch, and this comes with the scalloped heart and the regular heart. So I already punched it, and this is the one that I'm using right here, the scalloped one. I'm going to just see what happens here. I don't know. We're going to play it by ear. And then I'm going to cut that out with that, and then we're going to do the hearts. I'm going to do in the Coastal Cabana. It's one of my favorite colors, y'all. This little part right here we're going to do in Balmy Blue. So these are all that I'm going to cut out right here. I'm dropping everything, y'all. Okay, I'm going to cut these smaller. I'm going to bring in my mini cut and emboss. And y'all, I'm going to tell you again, if you want to join my team, you can get this mini cut and emboss. And you can get it in the white, or you can get it in the boho blue, which is a sneak peek of one of our new colors coming in the new catalog coming in a few months. All right, so we are going to be using our plates here. On the mini, I always use the 1, and then I use the regular plate, and then I use the 4. It just goes through so much smoother for me that way. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this one out first, and I think I'm gonna use my mint tape to hold that because this is a really close fit. So we're going to do that one first. You also get $179 worth of product of your choice, and it is $129. You can always do the $99 one as well with $125 I think it's 125. I have the choices up on my blog, so if you want to check that out, you can check on my blog. In fact, when I post this, I'll probably repost that for you. All right, and then we're going to run this one through. And you get the inside piece circled too, so you can save that for something else. I don't even know if I'm going to use this. We're going to play this one by ear. And then we're going to do the hearts, because I don't know. I do like it the way it is, but you know how I like to really change things up sometimes. All right, let me close this up easier. And then our hearts, this little heart is really little, so be careful not to lose it. So cute though. All right, we'll scoot those out of the way. I don't want to lose them either. And so we have those all, and I was thinking on here to use all these hearts and change it up just a bit and do it kind of like that way with the heart or the little circle. I don't know. We're going to work on it. We're going to look at it when we get there. All right, so on this paper here, we're going to go ahead and score it. And we are going to score this. By the way, this Teflon bone folder, this one is great for designer series paper. So we are going to score this on the 10-inch side at 4 and 6. And then you're going to turn it, and on the 8.5-inch side, you're going to score it at 2 and 6.5. That's it. Told you it was really easy. All right, so now I am going to cut. I know this is a little busy. Let's do it on this side because I can see it a little bit better. Just going to cut on those score marks here to that first one. Do it on both sides. I'm leaving these square. It just makes it easier to fold the bottom and have it a little bit more square. All right, we're going to sharpen these score marks. By the way, did y'all see my video on Sunday? Because they are the cutest little treat holders. And I have been dying to make something like that, and I didn't realize I could pick up the little pieces that go with it. So it was these little lip balms. I've seen these all over, but I really wanted to make them with Stampin' Up stuff. And so these are the ones that I created. I got these from Walmart. So if you haven't, I'll link that below and you can check that out. So cute. And I'll link also the little plastic holders there. But it was so fun and so cute. I really had to share that with y'all. All right, we are going to adhere this together. So you're just going to pull this up, and that's why I leave this straight so I can line it up perfectly with the bottom here. And then we're going to adhere these. Uh-oh. Grab my other one here. I always try to keep one in my drawer that's totally full in case this happens, because it always happens. And then you're just going to pull this side up too. Line that up with the bottom so it's nice and square. Isn't this pretty paper though? And then I'll just add my little, you do have to kind of tuck these in because they're pretty long. So you just tuck those in there. And then you're just going to squeeze at the top here. And if you want to keep this closed, which I think I'm going to do this time, and I'll show you how it looks instead of having it little winged out. So I'm going to use my big hole punch here because this definitely goes through more paper. Let's see, there's my smaller one. It'd be easier if I did this before I sealed it, but it's all right, it'll work just fine. I'm gonna go from this side. All right, so we got our little holes in there. I smushed my bag down though. There we go. And then we're gonna make sure we have a nice point on this because these holes are small. And bring these through. And I'm just making this wider, and it keeps the little wings on the side. Keeps the bag more closed here at the top. But you can do it how you want. That's why I'm showing you a different way, just to give you another idea. And then we're just gonna pull this together and tie a bow. This ribbon is so pretty. I love this ribbon. And you do have to kind of do it. I guess it's not going to really, unless, here, I'll do something right here. I'm going to put a glue dot on the ends. I don't know if it's going to even hold. This was just an afterthought. So I'm just going to put a glue dot here. Because this ribbon is not really like a strong ribbon. So we'll see if it holds it closed. I'll do one on both sides. If not, you're going to just have to deal with the little wingies things. All right. I'm not sure it's going to hold it, but we'll see. All right, I'm going to tie that bow. It makes such a pretty bow, too. I love this bow. Look how cute that is. Yeah, that's not going to hold it, but do you know what I mean about, I need to pop this side out too. There we go. All right. That's how that one is. See how what I'm talking about, these little wings sticking out on the side here? And I was trying to avoid that on here. But I don't know, you can glue it too. Probably use your Stampin' Seal Plus and it would hold it if you want. But isn't this bag so pretty? All right, so now we're gonna decorate this. We're gonna see if I'm gonna do it this way with my little Valentine here. And then these. I think we're gonna do it the same way. I think I'm gonna like it better than just putting the heart on here, because I love the balmy blue contrast on there. But you can do it how you like it. I think I'm going to do it my original way. All right, let's use some wet glue here. And we're going to attach this. If this pops up, it's okay. It really does give it a little bit more dimension if this end part pops up. So I'm going to put that on first. And then I'm going to glue this down. I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus. And that's going to go in here. And then we're popping these up with dimensionals. I'm just going to put one on each and a mini one on this little one here. This one's going to go up here. I love the colors, but see, you don't have to use Valentine paper, y'all. Just use what you have. And this pack of paper is like perfect for doing all different designs. All right, so there you have it. There is that one, and here is the other one. So aren't they cute though? I think this be so cute and it's fun. You can fill it with any kind of candy you want. You don't have to fill it with the cotton candy. I just was doing it for the girl who had asked, and I'm sorry I forgot who it was that asked. But yeah, and I had just gotten them and I thought about making a bag for them. So here you go. I hope that you like it. All right, everyone, have a blessed day. If you need any supplies, here's my host code. You can shop on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. Have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.